A few years ago, something strange happened when I moved into a new apartment. It was a pretty ordinary building, a few floors, nothing special. I lived on the second floor. Only a few days after I moved in, weird things started to happen. One night, very late, someone knocked on my door. When I opened it, no one was there. I figured maybe they had the wrong apartment. But then, 10 minutes later, it happened again. This time I was closer to the door, and as I walked toward it, I heard someone quickly walk away. I opened the door right away, no one. Maybe it was just a prank, I thought. Maybe someone was messing with the new tenant. But the next night, it happened again. Another knock, no one there. Then a few minutes later, another knock. And again. The following morning, on my way to work, I ran into one of my neighbors in the hallway. Curiosity got the best of me, so I asked, "Hey, do people around here play pranks on new tenants? Like knocking late at night or something?" The man looked surprised. "No," he said. "I've never heard of that happening before." But that night, again. The first knock came, and again. No one was there. But this time, I was sure they'd come back. About 5 minutes later, I saw someone on the hallway security monitor. A man I didn't recognize. He knocked once, then took off like lightning. "Hey!" I called after him, but he was already around the corner and gone. For a few days after that, nothing happened. Then one morning, as I was leaving my apartment, I noticed a pile of junk mail right outside my door. It looked like a month's worth of ads and flyers. I was about to throw them away when I opened one out of curiosity. There was a name and an address on it. I couldn't understand why anyone would do something like this, but I finally reported it to the building management. After that, everything stopped. Later, I found out something strange. Apparently, a guy had wanted his friend to move into the building, but I had taken the last available unit, without even knowing it. It's ridiculous, really. But the good news is, no more knocking.